What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to quickly go over Cardano, guys. We're going to go over the analysis, but also there's some reversal patterns at play with Bitcoin and some of the alts, but the volume is still low, so it may be a trap. That Star Wars alien guy, it's a trap. So currently we're sitting at 287. We're down about 1.4% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 91.91 billion. 24-hour volume is 4.62 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto. They recently partnered with the UFC, so great time to get involved, guys. All right, guys, so here's the 1 hour chart. So we came back down into our ascending triangle here. Now we're holding a very crucial level of support here on the 1 hour as well as the 4 hour. Here on the 1 hour, it's the 200 EMA. You see this red line here? We've been holding it as support since the beginning of our uptrend recovery. We have not broke the 200 EMA. And if we go into the 4 hour chart, we have not broke the blue line, the 55 EMA. We've currently come down and we're holding it as support. So if Cardano were to lose the 55 and fall out, that's when I think we're going to see that larger correction with Cardano. But as of right now, we are holding the support of the EMAs, the 55. So keep a close eye on that, guys. We do have that breakout target still at $3.41. And then we have 318, which is the 0.786 on the, or sorry, the 1.272 extension for Cardano. I'm just going to quickly take this out. If we do lose this level, guys, I am in a long position for Cardano, but if we lose the 55 and we lose our ascending support line, I am going to exit my trade because we have not lost the 55 as support on the 4 hours since the start of this uptrend recovery. If we look at Cardano here on the daily chart, we've allowed the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles. We got a little bit overextended, so we're just chilling out. We're cooling off. We're still having that strong bearish divergence. On the daily here, you can see higher highs, lower highs on the RSI. These can be invalidated and they can also take quite a while to play out, but it is something to keep a close eye on. All right, guys. So I wanted to show you guys Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin's currently breaking out of a double bottom, but the shady thing is the volume is not backing it up. If you see some volume step in and we come up to break our high, we break 50.4K here. That could be a beautiful sign that we're going to see the continuation to the upside. That's what I'm hopeful for. I'm watching this breakout and I'm like, come on, give me some volume, Bitcoin. I know it's the weekend, it's Sunday, but we are breaking out of this double bottom, but the volume is shady in my opinion. If we look at coins like XRP, it's breaking out double bottom reversal pattern. If we look at, what was I looking at? I was looking at BTT. This is back, guys. I'm currently in a little trade for a basic attention token, but it's pretty volatile, so I have to watch it closely, have my alerts set up. But you guys probably don't care. So here's BTT, guys. BitTorrent reversal pattern, double bottom. So hopefully we see a breakout to the upside, but like as I've been saying, it could be a trap unless we see quite a large increase in volume. We could roll over once again, but would be nice here. I want to see that volume step in. I'm watching it closely here. So that's just it for ADA. I just wanted to show you guys that we have come back down to the 55, which we have held for the entire time on this recovery here, as well as the 200 EMA on the hourly. Let's give some future price targets for ADA. I haven't done that in a long time here. On the daily, if we do roll over, guys, your levels of support, 249. We have 224 was a previous swing high. If we lose that, then you would target your swing low here for ADA, which is down at about $1.89. Let's drop a line in. You know, you guys know I like to drop in my lines. All right, and you can see the resistance in this area, so $1.89 as well. But yeah, keep an eye on the 55 EMA on the 4 hour. If we lose it, that will be the first time that we've lost it. So I do think that would be kind of a bearish signal here. So let's give some future price targets here. We have the 1.618 extension, which is up at $4.38 for ADA. All right, guys, we're on our way there. Slowly but surely, we will make it up to that price target. So that's basically it. Just a little update for ADA. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. Guys, check out the Discord. Over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking crypto. You can check it out through the Patreon link. Smash the like button. Sign up to Bybit. See you in the next one. Peace. Much love.